As I'm getting in my morning exercise and thinking in the process, I'm reminded of something that was said by Martin Seligman in his wonderful book, Learned Optimism. He was talking about the difference between an optimist and a pessimist. And he said one difference oftentimes is that an optimist remembers more positive experiences than actually happened. In other words, they embellish the various experiences. The pessimist remembers every negative experience perfectly. They just can't remember who they told the story to and how many times they told it to them. But that would be a major difference. My question is, are we optimists or pessimists? I think there's a way that we can determine that. When we get home this evening, talk to your significant other or your spouse and ask if they've noticed that when you get home from your work, do you tell mainly negative stories or positive ones? Now, their response to your question will do this. It'll indicate three things. One is probably how happy or unhappy you are. The other is how long you're going to be that way. Because the longer you tell a negative story, the longer it stays alive. The third thing is that it would tell the type of connector that you are, the type of communicator that you are, because that is made evident in the stories we tell and the way we talk. Think about this in terms of your connections, and I'll do the same with reference to mine, and we'll be more effective communicators.